According to studies, around 150 million men worldwide have trouble getting it up in the bedroom. In fact, for every decade of your life, your chances of getting ED increase by 10%. Not only does this mean your risk of getting ED as you age is higher, it also means that you could suffer from it even at a very young age. Regardless of your age group, however, it's important to take a proactive approach to solving the problem. That's why in this video, I want to share 10 reasons you can't get it up and how to fix it. Reason number 1, stress. Research confirms that chronic stress contributes to the development of oxidative stress. This can lead to damage in your organs and tissues, including your endothelial tissues. According to this study, the damage to these endothelial tissues leads to lower production of nitric oxide, a compound responsible for increasing blood flow to your man-meat during arousal. This is why, according to studies, there's a strong relationship between ED and oxidative stress. Thus, it's important that you learn to manage your stress levels to safeguard your sexual health. Reason number 2, lack of exercise. According to this systematic review, moderate to high-intensity aerobic exercise 4 times per week at 40 minutes per session can produce improvements in erectile function by anywhere from 14 to 86%. And although it's great for burning additional calories, we're not talking about your 10,000 steps of low-intensity walking. The most important factor here is to push yourself while doing cardio. If you're able to hold a conversation while you're exercising, you're not training hard enough. Erectile function revolves around blood flow, and cardiovascular health plays a pivotal role in ensuring optimal blood circulation. Engaging in cardio exercises enhances cardiovascular health, consequently optimizing blood flow and thus improving erection strength. Reason number 3, vascular disease. Your vascular system relates specifically to the vessels that carry blood in and around your body, including your package. Your erections are dependent on the integrity of your endothelium, the inner lining of the blood vessels. And one of the most important erection-related substances it secretes is nitric oxide. Erotic sensations trigger nerves that then trigger nitric oxide to be released. When nitric oxide is produced, the smooth muscle of your penile arteries relax, making the blood vessels dilate 8 to 10 times bigger than normal. Expanded blood vessels facilitate stronger blood flow, resulting in firmer and longer-lasting erections. Thus, damage to the endothelium is one of the biggest causes of ED, and this damage can be caused by factors like hypertension, diabetes, smoking, poor nutrition, and more. Reason number 4, nicotine dependence. One study reported that nicotine negatively affects vasoreactivity, leading to vascular dysfunction. Another study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine pointed out that smoking causes reduced bioavailability of nitric oxide, resulting in impaired arterial flow to the penis or acute narrowing of the penile arteries. Lastly, there seems to be a dose-dependent relationship between the severity of erectile dysfunction and the intensity of smoking. In other words, the more you smoke, the harder it'll be to get it up in the bedroom. Reason number 5, alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption triggers the release of the hormone angiotensin, and one of its effects is the narrowing of blood vessels, leading to restricted blood flow, which is critical for getting and sustaining an erection. According to this meta-analysis, chronic alcohol consumption and ED are strongly correlated. This is because, in the long run, alcohol abuse leads to liver damage, elevating estrogen levels and reducing testosterone. Not only that, but according to this 2020 review, 16 to 73% of chronic alcohol abusers suffer from autonomic dysfunction, with the most commonly occurring symptom being erectile dysfunction. Reason number 6, testosterone levels. Evidence suggests the link between testosterone levels and erectile dysfunction. According to this study, diminished testosterone levels often coincide with a decline in the ability to achieve erections. Conversely, elevating testosterone levels to normal or higher than normal ranges has shown notable improvements in erection quality even among castrated individuals. This study reported that higher testosterone levels correlate to heightened arousal and sexual desire. With these erotic sensations being the trigger for erections, we can make the connection between testosterone levels and ED once again. Thus, these findings confirm the impact of testosterone on the quality and/or the occurrence of erections. Reason number 7, sleep deprivation. Research suggests that insufficient or poor quality sleep negatively impacts hormonal balance, particularly testosterone levels. Studies have also shown a clear association between sleep disturbances and increased risk of ED. Additionally, poor sleep can contribute to overall fatigue, decreased energy levels, and increased stress, all leading to chronically elevated cortisol levels, which further exacerbate sexual performance issues. In summary, the scientific literature demonstrates a strong link between poor sleep quality and an increased risk of developing erectile dysfunction. And that's why we created the world's first deep sleep formula specifically for men who want to maximize their ability to burn fat and build muscle. Pitch Black contains only scientifically proven ingredients, all clinically dosed and guaranteed to give you more restful and rejuvenating sleep. And right now, you can try it risk-free for 25% off. Just head over to musclemonsters.com/supplements or click the link in the description and enter the coupon code MONSTER at checkout. And if you don't experience the best sleep of your life and wake up more restful than ever before, we will refund your money, no questions asked. Reason number 8, diabetes. Men with diabetes exhibit a 3.5-fold higher prevalence of ED compared to those without diabetes. Prevalence rates of mild to severe ED among diabetic men vary from 10.4% to 21.6%, with significantly higher rates observed in patients with type 2 diabetes. Lastly, up to 40% of men with type 2 diabetes experience low testosterone levels, and 90% of them suffer from ED. Reason number 9, anxiety. According to this study, around 80% of ED patients also manifested symptoms of anxiety and depression. This systematic review concluded that an abnormal anxiety response causes an increase in sympathetic tone, resulting in a distraction from erotic stimuli, leading to impaired arousal and erection. In other words, overthinking is killing your erections. Reason number 10, nutrient deficiencies. ED is primarily related to problems with blood flow, and the most crucial nutrient for keeping it optimal is nitric oxide. According to this review, unfortunately, around the age of 40, the levels of nitric oxide in our bodies begin to decline. By the time you're in your 50s or 60s, you might produce only half the nitric oxide you did in your 20s. According to this paper, however, the solution is quite simple. Consuming nitrate-rich foods can reverse or alleviate age-related nitric oxide reduction. Nitrate-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, dark chocolate, beets, citrus fruits, and pomegranates. You can also opt to supplement with nitric oxide precursors like L-arginine, L-citrulline, or citrulline malate. Next, we also talked about the importance of healthy testosterone levels for better and harder erections. If your levels are low, then you might not be consuming enough magnesium. Magnesium has been shown to significantly boost testosterone in both trained and sedentary individuals. For best results, aim to get 350 to 400 milligrams of magnesium daily. Another potential cause for low testosterone is zinc deficiency. According to this systematic review, zinc deficiency reduces testosterone levels and zinc supplementation improves them. Additionally, zinc has been reported to be beneficial in preserving penile endothelial function. Depending on your activity level, I recommend aiming for 30 to 60 milligrams of zinc daily. So there you have it, 10 reasons you can't get it up in the bedroom. And before you decide to solve the issue with dangerous prescription drugs, I recommend a more holistic approach where you're eating nutritious foods, exercising regularly, managing your stress levels, and getting better sleep. Did you find this video helpful? If so, click the like button below as it'll truly help out the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more videos and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. Peace.